Have you ever wondered how far humans have reached into vast expanse of space? It's a question that has intrigued many of us. An answer lies in audacious Voyager missions. Back in late 70s, specifically 1977, two spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were launched into cosmos. Their aim? To explore outer realms of our solar system and beyond. These were no ordinary spacecraft. They were equipped with cutting-edge technology for their time, designed to withstand harsh realities of space. Their power sources, designed to last, have carried them through decades of exploration, and they continue to communicate with us to this day. In what marked a significant milestone, they embarked on their initial journey through our solar system, with intention of reaching out further into uncharted territories of space. With this audacious start, Voyagers set off on their unprecedented journey. After their successful launch, where did the Voyagers go next? The answer is nothing short of awe-inspiring. The Voyagers embarked on a journey known as the Grand Tour, an expedition to the outer planets of our solar system. First stop, Jupiter. Voyager 1 and 2 made history with their flybys, capturing breathtaking images of its swirling storms and discovering its faint rings. Next, the Voyagers visited Saturn, unveiling its majestic rings in unprecedented detail and revealing the mysterious hexagonal storm on its north pole. The journey continued to Uranus and Neptune. The Voyagers discovered a total of 10 new moons between these two distant planets and captured images of Uranus's peculiar tilted axis and Neptune's supersonic winds. These stunning images and unique discoveries have made the Voyager's Grand Tour a milestone in space exploration, reshaping our understanding of the outer solar system. Despite completing their Grand Tour, the Voyagers were far from done. What happens when a spacecraft leaves our solar system? This is the question that propelled the Voyagers into the great unknown, into the realm of interstellar space. Imagine, if you will, Voyager 1 in 2012 daringly crossing the heliopause, that boundary where the solar wind from the sun slows down and merges with the interstellar medium. 6 years later, in 2018, Voyager 2 followed suit, venturing into this uncharted territory. Now, communicating with these intrepid explorers is no easy feat. The vast distances involved mean that signals take over 17 hours to travel from Earth to the spacecraft and the same time to return. Yet, despite these challenges, the Voyagers continue to send back valuable data, making unexpected discoveries about the nature of interstellar space, including a denser than expected interstellar medium and surprisingly high levels of cosmic rays. Even now, the Voyagers continue to surprise and enlighten us. The journey continues, and every day is a journey into the unknown. What will be the lasting impact of the Voyager missions? An intriguing question, isn't it? Let's delve right into it. The Voyager missions have left an extraordinary scientific legacy. They've unveiled the mysteries of our solar system, revealing Jupiter's turbulent atmosphere, Saturn's shimmering rings, and the icy realms of Uranus and Neptune. They've also ventured into the interstellar space, providing invaluable insights into this uncharted territory. But their legacy isn't just scientific. The golden records carried by each Voyager are a testament to their cultural significance. These records, containing images and sounds of Earth, are our message to the cosmos, a snapshot of our civilization. They symbolize our hope, curiosity, and our insatiable desire to explore and understand the universe. So, The Voyager's legacy is profound and far-reaching. They've not just changed our understanding of the universe, but also our place within it. The Voyagers have truly expanded our horizons in ways we never could have imagined. So, what insights have the Voyager missions provided? An astounding breadth indeed. Launched in 1977 and 1979 respectively, the Voyager 1 and 2 probes have served as humanity's farthest-reaching exploration tools, a grand tour taking them beyond the 4 gaseous giants of our solar system. Equipped with a suite of 11 scientific instruments, these missions have transmitted back a wealth of data, prompting revisions in our textbooks and broadening our knowledge of the cosmos. They provided us with vital information about the magnetic fields, atmospheres, and moons of the planets they've encountered, from Jupiter's volcanic moon, Io, to Neptune's storm-ridden Triton. Voyager 1 and 2 then embarked upon a journey outside our solar system's boundaries, venturing into the expanse of interstellar space. Even now, they continue to transmit valuable data, offering us new insights into cosmic rays and the interstellar medium. Yet, the Voyager missions exceed scientific discovery. They carry golden records, an interstellar message encapsulating Earth's rich sounds and visuals, a gesture of peace and curiosity to any extraterrestrial life forms that might chance upon them. These records, a sort of cosmic postcard, help to humanize these scientific quests. As we gaze upon the stars, we may ask ourselves, where will the next Voyager lead us, and what new horizons of knowledge will it unveil?